I just want to show you a quick thing on Photoshop if you're looking to clean up your image. So I've just quickly imported Dave's one here into Photoshop, got it on a separate layer. And if you want to fill it out, sometimes you've got extra bits of rubbish inside the image that you've got from scanning it, or a pencil you don't want, and you want to work out where they all are. So first thing you want to do is use the magic wand here to delete all the white stuff. All right. And you need to make sure that you have, well, I forgot to bring this in, contiguous turned off. So when you select it, it chooses all the white. If I have contiguous turned on and select it, just selects the outside, doesn't select all the white. If I turn contiguous off, and then I go select it, selects all the white. Then I can, a tolerance of say 15 is fine. Hit delete, and then that deletes everything except the lines. Command D to deselect. Now I want to see if there's any, so I think I've gotten rid of everything, all the white's gone, so I've got a nice clean document, but it's not necessarily the case. So what I can do is down here on your toolbar on the right hand side, the thing called FX, go down to a thing called stroke. Oh, haven't got the projector on. It's alright, I'm recording it anyway. Yeah. Click on stroke, and what you'll notice is that things start popping up all over the place. And then you can use the eraser tool to erase things out. So you choose the eraser. Use the eraser. Where are we? Here it is. Then I can just rub stuff out using the. And we've also got a clean the air filter thing on the projector. It'll go away in a second. The moment I go to clear it'll go away. So I'll just zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, there's bits of extra stuff just there. So just use your eraser tool to highlight any bits that are out of place. There's one there. Extra dot. There's an extra dot here. An extra dot there. You can just work your way around, finding all the bits and pieces that are unnecessary to the actual line art itself. There's a dot there, and so on, and you just slowly work your way. So that's using the stroke button here, right? And then when you do that, it'll ask you to choose a color. I've chosen red because it stands out. Okay, okay again, and then all this red pops up. Once you've done that, you should be fine, and then you can turn the effects tool off. Good job. Okay. Sweet. That'll do.
Layer number 4.